Day 2 here in Rosita. We're in the jungle. It's extremely beautiful here. High overgrowth, full of wild bamboo. We're next to a river, and we set up a station here. These are the poles that we cured yesterday, and we're in the morning process right now, a little after 8 o'clock in the curing process. And we're working with some of the locals who are local Mesquite, and they speak Mesquite and also speak a little bit of Spanish. And a lot of them live right on the other side of this river. And that's how they get back and forth on their little wooden canoes. And it's quite an experience. It's quite an experience. We're having a great time and things are going really well.
Hey. ¿Están saliendo bien?
Day 5, we're in our rhythm. Things are going really well. We're bringing bamboo across from the other side of the river and bringing it across in boat. And as you can see from here and back on the other side, we have been harvesting and curing a lot of bamboo. We're maybe around halfway through what we expect to cut and to cure. We've created a team on this side with Hannah, Don David on the other side, Modesto and Yamer, and this is our curing side over here. And then we have gentlemen like this who are bringing in and cutting the bamboo for us to cure it. So we have a good assembly. Things are going great. High vibe, and we're having some fun. Part of the process.